Hey dolls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the title of the video, you guys know what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be talking about. So I suggest you guys just stay tuned into the whole video so you guys can know what I am getting off my chest, and so you guys can just understand me, fully understand me, for the people who don't understand me and for the people who don't really know me. So as you guys see later on, last year in August or October, one of those, I got lipo. Okay, I want to just be straight up to you guys. I want to be straightforward, because at the end of the day, this is my life. This is what I choose to do, and honestly, to be 100%, everybody knows that I love myself. I've been through the worst, and at this point, nothing really can faze me, you know? So I just want to come here and get this off my chest. So back in October, and I know a lot of people going to be commenting in the comment section, well, girl, you don't got to explain yourself. You don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. You know, I'm not explaining myself. I'm just getting you guys to understand, okay? So anyways, back in October, I got lipo. August, October, one of those. So I got lipo. I got my stomach lipo and I got my back lipo, and then I got a breast reduction because I mean, like, I didn't want like big breasts. I always had big breasts and they were just like really annoying. I don't see how people, you know, just buy them, because like with people like me, I have them naturally big, and the problems it comes with is just not worth it, and it can really, you know, cause long-term issues. So I was like, okay, I want a breast reduction, because at the end of the day, my normal weight, I'm like petite, so I'm like skinny. So I can drop like pictures right here to show you guys. So yeah, I'm like skinny. I'm normally skinny, but ever since I started like doing YouTube, I just been out eating. I have not been thinking about my health and all this other stuff. So I come to the conclusion, you know, I'm gaining weight, and you know, it's normal when you get older, you gain weight, and it's sometimes harder to lose weight, but that's not the case. So I got lipo, whatever, and like I said, I got it on my stomach, my back, I got my breasts smaller, and I got them lifted. I still feel like they're big. I still want them smaller, but anyways, we'll do that on the next video or a future video. So when I start working out and I start putting on my Instagram, like I'm working out, blah, 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 everybody like, oh, this is what I want to address, okay? Because like, I'm not explaining myself because I feel bad, because at the end of the day, this is my life. Social media cannot determine how I feel about myself, how I'm going to control my life, how I'm going to do things, how I'm going to feel about myself, okay? Because at the end of the day, I was raised on love, so I love myself, okay? But anyways, and people will be mad. Listen, people get mad when you love yourself. When you show yourself love, or you just be confident in yourself, it hurts people and it kills people. I don't know, that's weird, but you know, everybody's not the same, because if the world was the same, you know, it would just be the same. Everything will be the same. But anyway, so when I just start working out and everything, I post on my Instagram story like working out, blah, 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 eating good, blah, 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 or whatever. People come for me and they say, oh, you got surgery, you got that surgery, you got surgery, blah, 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 blah. Listen, I just want to say that. That's all I came on the camera for. I didn't come on the camera to say, oh, I got all my natural results from surgery, blah, blah, blah. No, I never said that, okay? Okay? So, I do want to say, when I went into that doctor's office, I did ask only for my boobs to be reducted, okay? Reduction. So I never asked for no lipo, because you know why? I was raised on working out. I was raised on eating good. I was raised on being athletic, and I was raised on to do activities, right? So I was like, okay, I just want my boobs reducted because they was naturally big, but I can lose the weight myself. I can flatten my tummy myself, whatever. But my doctor said, I can give you a deal if you record and you post me just like for exchange from for like a collab. So I was like, okay, cool, that's a good deal. So I'm gonna just take it, I'm gonna just get the lipo. I never got anything into my butt. I never, because I really don't want a big butt. You know, I don't want all that, because at the end of the day, I like jeans. A lot of people don't like to wear jeans, but I like jeans. And it's hard to find jeans for thicker women and taller women. I'm not tall, but I'm just saying that it's very hard to find jeans for, you know, thicker women. So I didn't consider to go and get a BBL or anything. But she did say she could do lipo 360 and she can reduct my breasts and she can lift them. So I was like, okay, cool, that's a good deal. I'm gonna do it, okay? Me going into the office, I didn't really care for no lipo. I honestly didn't care for no lipo. But anyways, like I was saying, a lot of people think that you cannot work out or you false promoting your natural results through working out. Let me tell you something, and I want to set this bottom line because a lot of people don't know this. When you get surgery, listen, when you get surgery, you still have to work out, okay? Or you will gain that weight back in other places, like your arms. Didn't I just say in my latest videos, I want to tone my arms up? It's because I wasn't watching out what I was eating. So all the weight was going to my arms. All the weight was going to my thighs. All the weight was going to my butt. All the weight was going to my face, okay? All the weight still goes to my boobs, okay? So just because you got surgery don't mean you can't work out and you can't get better results, okay? So I got surgery to start off my journey, okay? And that was in August, okay? That was in August or October, one of those. But I'm just saying, because I am and I haven't posted any workout videos, is because people keep saying, oh, you don't have natural results. Oh, you working out, but you got surgery. Oh, this, da, 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 da. Listen, I'm not working out to lose weight. I am working out to tone my arms, to gain muscle, and to be fit, and also to look good and care about my health, okay? So everybody that's saying something, I really don't care what you're saying, because at the end of the day, this is my channel. If you don't like it, you can unsubscribe. You don't have to watch it. You don't have to follow me, because at the end of the day, I still will get mine by any means, okay? I just wanted to set that clear because a lot of people don't understand. So with that being said, here's the good part. Your girl Jalyn is going on a fitness journey. I cannot wait. Listen, you guys, I already started. I'm not even gonna lie. And I have a ton of workout videos that I cannot wait to upload. I did agree to uploading every single day of May, but this issue was going on and I didn't want to just come on here throwing videos and people not understanding what I'm coming from, what I'm saying, okay? So I just want to say I am starting my fitness journey, and I do plan on doing like Zooms with everybody that wants to work out with me and everything. Is going to be so fun. I just can't wait. I can't wait to look better, can't wait to feel better. I just can't wait overall, because I'm telling you guys, ever since I don't have makeup on today, and ever since I've been working out, been eating good, been drinking water, everything clean, I've been glowing. I'm telling you guys, I haven't ate red meat in so freaking long. Like one day I did have red meat and it just got me sick. So I was like, no, I'm cutting it loose, just strictly cleaning. So I did find a meal prepper. So 1 week I am going to order from a person that's in Houston that makes meals, so I can just save me a whole bunch of time, so I can, you know, still post on my other channels. Also, I do have a trainer, so he said I could eat one cheat meal a week. So not a cheat day, which means I can't eat cheating all day, but I can have one cheat meal. So I just wanna, you know, knock out a mukbang with that or whatever, but I don't wanna still eat too much because I don't want to lose the results that I'm getting. But I'm telling you guys, I see results. I've been intermittent fasting, which I will eat 12 to 6, and 6 is my deadline. And I'm telling you guys, I see results. My arms are getting thinner, y'all. I just can't wait for these results. I can't wait. So yeah, I just want to come on here and show you guys and tell you guys what it was, what I'm planning on doing, because at the end of the day, this is me. So I got this little notebook, right? I got this little notebook, and I just want to show you guys everything that I got on it. To start your weight loss journey, if you guys are wanting to start your weight loss journey, or if you guys want to tone up, build muscle, whatever is your goal, this is the way to start. So get a notebook and measure yourself. And I just want to tell you guys, measuring in the, what is it called, scale? Measuring in the scale are two different things. Measuring matters. Scales don't matter because sometimes they can be off. So it could say you weigh 200 but really weigh 160 or something. So don't mind the scales. So I have, where did I put it? Okay, it's right here. Okay, so I have this measuring thing, and you can get it from Walmart, you can get it from probably Target, but you can get it from Michael's. And basically so you can measure your self. And I have already measured myself. I don't want to measure it again because I can't measure myself until May 22nd. I measure myself April 22nd. So every single month I'm gonna measure myself. And I don't want to see my results because I know I got more like good, y'all look about, but I'm so excited for this. Okay, I just cannot tell you guys, I cannot just express the way I feel. I feel so good. I feel relieved that I'm doing this video because a lot of people don't understand what I'm coming from. So this is the notebook, and I read this every single day because it reminds me that I can do this. I have eat portion. I have like little notes around the paper. So I have eat portions, 20 pounds down, which I don't want to lose 20 pounds. I just thought about it. I don't want to lose 20 pounds. But it says mind over diet. Listen, eating is a mind thing. So you have to make yourself think that you're full so you won't, you know, because you could be on a diet and eat bad. Like salad, if you eat salad all day, it still could be bad for you. So you have to like research and, you know, get the gist of fitness, because I learned a lot of stuff while I've been, you know, working out. And I've been working out since April 22nd. It says don't give up, challenge yourself, hustle, and let's see, it says my weight loss journey, and it has my bust, my chest, my waist, and my height. I mean, not my height, but my hips. So I measure myself. I actually didn't measure my arms, but I do have on my other notebook. Actually, I have in my drawer my arms. So I already know what that is. That's probably like 14 inches or something. But yeah, so that's what it is. Also, I've been, see, look, let me show you guys. So it says eat 12 through 6. So I have my intermittent fasting, and I usually do like meal prep. So one week I'll meal prep for myself, and then the next week I'll have the cooker meal prep my meals. So I have a whole bunch of, you know, meals right here: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. And I've just been like, you know, going with the flow of this. I feel so good. I cannot wait until May 22nd to measure myself again. But I'm telling you guys, I just wanted to come on here, and I don't want to hold you guys too long, because the next videos and videos after that and videos after that is going to be workout videos, and I'm still going to be uploading, you know, other fun stuff and everything. But I just do want to record my fitness journey because a lot of people doubt people, okay? So I just want to, you know, prove myself that I could do it, prove myself that I could do it. So I'm proving myself, and I can prove you guys too, but I'm honestly proving myself that I can do it. So I just want to show you guys a little raw results of my body right now, and then maybe next month you guys can see a different result, and you guys can just let me know. Keep going, keep working, you got this, and we just gonna, you know, let it rock, let it roll. So I'm telling you guys, it's gonna be lit. We're gonna have lit content. We're gonna have lit workouts. We're gonna do Zooms so you guys can work out with me. We're gonna do what I eat in a day. And hopefully we get to the point where we can eventually meet trainers and work out with them and record. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys are fully down with me during this journey. And if you are not supporting me, you can click off my page and you can unsubscribe, because at the end of the day, I'm still gonna do what I want to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss a upload. And with that being said, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Alright, you guys, so I want to show you guys exactly how to measure yourself, and I want to show you guys my, you know, results before I start uploading my YouTube, my fitness videos. So let me take off this waist trainer, and like I said, you guys can get this measurement thing at, you guys can get this measurement thing at Walmart, you know, Target, whatever. So here's my results. You guys probably can see it already right now. Like my stomach is getting flatter. Ooh, and my arms are getting like more tiny. But let me show you guys. Okay, so here's the measure thing. When you measure your bust, you want to, you know, not pull the tape too tight, but you want to just bring it around. I might want to look at the results, but this is how you measure the bust. This is how you measure your chest, so right underneath your breast. This is how you measure your chest. This is how you measure your waist, 1 inch above your belly button. And don't pull the tape too tight or don't suck in. So, waist. And then you want to measure your hips. The widest around your hips. So right around your, you know, behind, like the middle. And then you want to measure your hips. And then you can measure your thighs like this. And then you can measure your arms. It's kind of hard. So you can have somebody measure for you, or if you know how to measure yourself, you could do that as well. And also, like I said, fitness is not about starving yourself, okay? It's about keeping fuel into your body. So it's just like a car. Car don't run without fuel. Your body don't run without fuel, okay? You need to eat, okay? So I can share this app with you guys on my next video or video after. I can, or when I do what I eat in a day video, I can share this app with you guys, and it will tell you to put in your weight, put in your height, and put in your age, and it gives you a whole bunch of meal options, and it gives you how many calories you need to eat a day. I'm at 1,300, so I have to eat 1,300 calories a day. It might be a lot, but listen, it's really not a lot. It's 3 meals, 2 snacks, and water for the rest of the day. So with that being said, I am going to close out this video. I already ended it. So I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope to see each and every one of you rooting for me. So I love you guys. I'll see you guys. Peace. Bye.